Hello, in this video I'll show you how to make YouTube in Infinite Craft. Now it's a very easy process. So what you have to do is just simply open your browser, then open Infinite Craft on your browser. Now after that, the first thing that you have to do is, add water, then fire, now another fire. After that, add the engine, that will give you a rocket. Now once you have a rocket, add another one, that will give you a satellite. Now add two waters. Now add the lake to satellite. This will give you Google. Now the next thing is earth, water, wind. Now just simply duplicate this. After that, add wind. Then add fire. Now after that, just simply add earth, another earth. Then add the mountain to the popcorn. Then add the movie to the Google. That will give you YouTube. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.